In the previous video, we created two roughing passes to rough this end of the part, so each pass steps over and closer into the part. And we did this by using two different diameter offsets, which works great, unless there's too much material to keep using different diameter offsets. As you recall, if this value is larger than this internal radius here, this method will not work. So in this video, I want to demonstrate another method to do this, but always using the D02. So first, I'm going to change this to D02, and we'll put this back to plus 25 thou. And next, in this example, I'll assume we want to move over 3 cuts each of 100 thou. So to do that, this will still be my final rough cut. I'm just going to change this line number to 23. This will be my second final rough cut, and I'm going to need to copy and paste this for the first rough cut, as this will now be the second. So I'll highlight it all and copy it. I'm going to, again, enter a couple lines so I can have a space between it and paste it. So just to double check it quickly, this also needs to say D02, as does this. And this picks up our depth of cut. Our cutter comp has the part profile, rapids up above the part, cancels cutter comp, moves back to the start, and this will come. So that will work. I'm going to add another line number here. I'm going to call it N22, where this is our final rough cut. This will be our second rough cut. Then next, because I want my cutter to step over this way, all I'm going to do is alter the X values by the 100 thou cut I want. So I'll come down here and I'll work my way up. So this is my final rough cut. Everything is fine here. Here in my second rough cut, I'm going to add 100 thou to each of these values. So I'm looking for any X. So here I have an X, so instead of 3, I'll make this 4. This X will be 1.872. And again, I'm going to keep working my way up and adding 100 thou to this. So this will be 2.069. And this will be 1.872, and this will be 1.4845. And again, now for my first rough pass, this value here will have 100 thou at it, and now each of these will have 200 thou at it. So I'll go ahead and add the 200 thou to these. Then I'll remove this space, and up here I'll add another 100 thou to this. Next, I'll refresh the plot, and then I'll simulate it. And there we can see